Okay, so for today, I'm gonna try and relocate my plate from here to here. But first things first, I'm gonna try and remove this plate bracket, and because I want this grill part to be as clean looking as possible, I guess I have to remove these two circular things, and I've already pried this one open. And next is this part. You do it like that, and after you do that, you're gonna expose the two screws inside. Ideally, you'd be using a screwdriver, but I only have a knife in here. This should just come off. Ah, yeah, beautiful. Okay, so I figured it out. Basically, I'm gonna need 4 zip ties, long zip ties, and essentially I'm gonna use these two metal bar things, and for each of those I'm gonna use 2. Like, I'm gonna shred 2 of these. Go. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Then another one here. Oh, God. There we go. There. And then you take one end. Oh crap. This is a little tricky, but essentially you take one end, get over the loop, and then there we go. Oops, where did the end go? There we go. There. There. Okay. Oh, oops. Put it the wrong way. There. For now, I'll leave it like that because you still have to do the other part, and you just have to do the other part the same way. Oops, that fell. Same way. Slide that in. There we go. That's the sound you're looking for. There we go, that's the right way. Yeah, just make sure that it's centered while you do this. Keep pulling it gently until it tightens. And theoretically, that's secure enough. Okay, so now you're gonna have to cut these ugly antennas that you've created. Use a knife or a pair of scissors. This is dull. It's gonna take a while.
A few inches later.
Siguro manghiram na tayo sa tindahan eh, no?
3 hours later.
Okay, we're back and we've borrowed a pair of scissors from the nearby store. We wanna make sure that you cut behind the plate so that the zip ties aren't visible. It's that simply. These aren't sharp enough.
A few inches later.
So I got myself bigger more murderous scissors, and hopefully this time it'll cut.
Yes!
Yeah. See? Clean install. So now I'm gonna try and stick it with here's the plate. I'm gonna try and stick it with this mounting tape, cheap mounting tape. Since the bumper already scrapes, I'm gonna try and mount it this way. So now I'm just gonna put some adhesive on it. Of course, this isn't the most ideal way to do it. Like, I still recommend actually screwing the plate, your conduction plate in. There we go. That's better. I think that looks better. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I hope this has been informative enough. Anyway, I'll update you if anything goes bad, if it like falls off or if the cable ties snap off. Thank you for watching.